when I tell her that, she goes, "Oh, geez, you really have my mom." She said, "Absolutely, I have. It's been just about a year or so." And she says that I've reconnected with them. And she says, and I've been asking lots of questions about my mom and how she, like what happened around my birth. She says, I've been just asking loads of things. And she says they'll answer certain questions and they won't answer others. And her mom is coming through to make sure that her daughter understands the truth because she's now in connection to the grandfather and he won't tell the truth about giving her mom alcohol. He won't tell the truth around any of that.
So this woman split from her family then because this daughter came in and said, I don't know if my mom is dead or alive.
Yeah.
Even though she's reconnected with the biological grandparents.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Yes. So now she's hearing a very convoluted story that's very convenient for her grandparents to tell. Mm-hmm. And that others are just colluding. Mm-hmm. And she's lost. So she's like, okay, I'm hearing all of this and I don't know the truth, but it's fitting with what the foster parents are telling.
Right.
And then somebody decides, well, the only way that you're ever going to know is if you talk to your mother. And it's like, well, I don't know if that it can even happen. I don't know where she is. I don't know if she's alive or dead. I don't know how to find her. And that's when somebody says, well, if you talk to a psychic medium, maybe you could talk direct to your mother. Mm-hmm. And if you get enough validations to believe that it's actually her, then you could sit down and believe what she's telling you.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.